How you doing? I don't know for sure who ate my ptarmigan last night, but that's my #1 suspect. Oh, we got dog breakfast.
It's
Bait. We're fed, the dogs are fed. I think it's time to get ready. I just winged this one. Hey there, don't you? Give me a ball. Pee on the sled. Red. All right, good. If this looks mellow and easy, it's because I have to put the camera down during the crazy parts. This is like driving a muscle car that has a mind of its own. Oh, wow. We're gonna go 25 miles today. So we're gonna be doing this for several hours. That's only about a quarter of what these dogs do when they're racing.